All right. Are you excited to get started?
Oh yeah,
Oh yes.
The cartoon character, what was the idea there?
that was my friend's idea. My idea was like palm trees, all that stuff.
Even looking at the picture from the truck, it makes people feel kind of hungry, and I'm sure they will ask for a completely full loaded baked potato. Traditional food, yes.
We just make everything, you know. Baked potato, you can have a baked potato with pork, chicken, beef, bacon, ham, broccoli, cheese, vegetable, sour cream, all kinds of soda, but the main thing is pina colada. I wish everybody can enjoy it. You know, when we came here the first time and we sit down with Tony, I designed this truck, the inside. I designed the way that I wanted, so whatever we do, it was going to be easy, more comfortable and everything. So I designed the truck, the inside, and I love it.
From the beginning to the end, very easily. She was wonderful from A to Z. She was always there on time. She was always very knowledgeable about what she was doing. And every single answer, you know, we were getting with all the information that we were looking for. So she was great. The most exciting part of the story is that it's all paid off.
The name of the business is Yomo's Baked Potato. Our son, he passed away, and his nickname used to be Yomo. So we just dedicate this for, you know,
His memory.
his memory. That's why we put Yomo's Baked Potato. It's very important for us. I mean,
To
you know.
keep his memory alive, yes, it is.